Filming? Oh, there's another one up here.
Baby butcher birds all around us. Here's the parents. Now, there's one of the babies. He's just flown off. If you look in the back, there's one of the other babies. I don't know if you can see it now. You can see it fluttering in the background there. That's the baby. That's the parent in front. I don't want to scare it. Oh, you scavenger. These birds are they pick things up very quickly. Pity my wife can't throw straight. That's my wife in there. That's the parent. Here comes the baby. Cute little buggers, aren't they? They really only have to be shown once what to do, and they pick it up so quickly. You can hear the baby in the background there. This is how close we can get right up to now. He's going to take off. They don't like to be on their own. Oh no, still happy to stay. Another piece of meat there. Just going to wander over here, see if I can see the other babies. There they are, there's the parent. That's the parent. And you can see the baby and the parents up there. There they go, all up there. See the fluttering wings of the baby? Okay.